Hi, first graders. Today I wanted to talk to you about word problems. We talked about word problems last week, but we talked about adding in word problems and addition. And today I want to remind us about subtracting in word problems and taking away. So I brought a word problem along with me today, and I'm going to read it to you like we always do as a class. It says, Mrs. Gherkin bakes 18 cookies. Calvin took away 6 cookies and ate them. How many cookies does Mrs. Gherkin have left over? And after we read our word problem together, I would always ask that you look for the important words or important phrases. That's a group of words that are going to give us a clue as to whether we are going to add or subtract. So I'm going to let you think for a minute about the important words or phrases that you see, and I'm going to take a minute to circle the ones that I think you might be seeing. So I went ahead and I circled one phrase. I circled the phrase took away, and I circled the word left over. And those two should give you a clue that we are going to be subtracting because I see the word took away, and whenever we take things away, we are subtracting. And when you see that word left over, when you take something away, sometimes you have things left over, which should give you a good clue that we are going to subtract in this word problem. So next, I would ask that you look through the word problem and try and find the important numbers. So I will let you go ahead and look for those important numbers. So I went ahead and I found all of the numbers in the word problem. I found the number 18 and I found the number 6. So now that I have my important numbers and my important words and phrases circled, now I have all of the information that I need in order to solve my word problem. And since we know that we are going to subtract and take away, I'm going to search for the bigger number, 18, and take away the smaller number. So I'm going to take 18 and take 6 away from that bigger number. And last time we did this, I saw lots of you guys using crayons or Legos as things that can help you take away. That's great. That's such a great strategy to use. You can also draw a picture, and that's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to draw 18 things, and I'm going to take 6 away from them. So I drew 18 circles, and then I took away 6 of those circles right there. And I always like to circle how much I have left over. So I'm going to go ahead and circle all of the circles that I have left over now. So once I circled all of the circles that I have left over, I found that I had 12 left over. So then I could go over here and write my number sentence. 18 minus 6 equals 12. So this is just a great review for finding some important words or phrases in your subtraction word problems. So today on your flip grid, I am going to challenge you to create your own subtraction word problem so you're going to be taking away instead of adding this time. And then I would challenge you too to find a friend on Flipgrid and solve their word problem as well. You guys did such a great job with this for the adding word problems. So I can't wait to see what you guys come up with for your subtraction word problems. Good luck!